God damn it, why must it be sunny outside when I'm trying to record this? It's reflected on the freaking TV. Well, isn't that perfect? Train is blocking our path. Whatever, no problem, we'll just run through it.
Around it? Doesn't look like it. On foot, maybe. Can't really afford to be that now.
This seems like a safe area. All this brush will stop anything from creeping up on us.
Or Slender Man can attack us, but you know, who cares? We're worrying about zombies now.
Why don't you and I go look around?
Yeah, everyone else relax.
Oh great, I'm gonna be with Ben for once.
I mean, if you come across anything to drink, if there's a dining car or something, I think that's the fifth dehydrated.
Just afraid to know. Be careful.
I'll be sure to get some.
What? You think there might be something dangerous inside an abandoned locomotive? Cross my mind.
Maybe a zombie managed to climb into there. Go up here. Pretty big door. Oh, never mind. Just messed up perspective. Oh, thanks for scaring me, Ben.
Yeah, man. Shh. Think they're gone?
I hope so. But this looks recently used. Be on the lookout as you go.
Why don't we have our guns with us? Did we just leave them? Map? Let's look at it. Pick it up. I want to see what's on it.
Map of where the train goes. I think these tracks might lead to the coast. 27 Savannah. That's where Kimmy's got us headed.
Huh. Oh, okay, you just took her with me. Some water. Anything else? No. Okay, I'll take that water to Duck. If only I can barely. If only I can like change the camera angles like in Heavy Rain, where I can actually see where I'm going. Then. This is
That's water.
Thank you. I'm allergic to beer.
Is that right?
Oh, I keep thinking about it. But somehow that matters.
It doesn't.
I know. Well, I don't. But you're probably right.
Duck looks dead. Like I know his eyes are just open, and he's just like, I don't feel very good. But like he looks dead. I'm gonna go out the other side. See what's there. I don't know what that noise was. I have no idea what that is. I don't even understand trains. Look at train wheels. Oh, that explains why it's not moving. Okay, I just need to find a tool. Can I go up that ladder? Nope. Okay. I'm gonna talk to Ben. See if he has any idea. I wanna ask what he would have done with Lily.
I don't know. Left her? I've never seen anybody kill someone like that before.
Well, you're inexperienced, Ben, so.
Yeah, but not like that.
Like a friend.
Was it you?
Not this again.
Was it?
No!
Okay. You happy you stayed with us all this time?
Yeah.
Really?
It's with you guys are dead. I would have died out there in the woods. Just like my classmates.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah, of course.
I gotta avoid talking to about everything to everybody, because that might like alter something. What's up, Clementine?
Hey, Sophie. You okay out here?
I like how I'm starting to call her Sweet Pea. Oh.
I don't think that feels good.
Oh, Penny, I need to show this to you.
Well, this is a box down like that.
Whoa, is this what it looks like?
I think so.
These tracks lead right to Savannah. Holy cow. Can you guys see about moving that
Are
thing?
sometimes
We've got
parents in
something.
Savannah?
Yeah, well,
Use ladder. Let's see where it goes. Engine compartment. I can open it? Should I press the switch or not? Let's do it. Oh, prime engine. Okay. That doesn't work. Anything else? Nope. Okay. What about this engine compartment? Oh, we have to sit through these little bits. Oh, there's a bunch of tools in here. Spike remover, spanner, monkey wrench.
rusted sharply and severely. That was quick and slow for a start.
Let's take it.
Yikes.
Oh, it's just weapons. Okay. Well, I think the thing with a sharp object, a sharp end will do. Let's see what's in here. Okay, that was pointless. And the last one. What's the whole point of having it if there's nothing in there? Let's see if we can get in there. And there's a dead person in there. Okay.
We got one. Walker, send him a chair. We got him.
I thought he was dead. I think I might as well use the melee. It's already dead.
Yeah.
I think it's already dead. Like fully dead. Ew, how did that happen? Looks like something flew through the window.
This guy came back.
Something flew through the window and like knocked him, sliced his head open. Jeez.
The light is flickering.
Push it.
Push it.
Why not?
Are you fucking serious?
Here, look.
You're so curious, Ben. Oh, do you know how to work a train? Okay.
It's just the brakes.
Okay, I'll give you that.
This fucker works.
Seems like it.
I'll be damned. How the hell do we get it moving?
I don't know. That's Mr. Amtrak over here.
No clue.
Oh, great. You know what the brakes look like, but you don't know what the... How to drive a train.
Man, if you could keep an eye on the girls and Duck, I'd appreciate it. We'll make sense of these controls. Man, this could be exactly what we need.
Exactly. Is that a family portrait? Aww.
Bunch of notes about Georgia 6. Nothing about the train.
Huh. He's trying to get home, maybe. It's in this notepad.
This is it. Instructions on starting the engine. Damn. Pages ago. Let's see the moving station for the plan. No idea what to do with these.
I thought he was actually going to be able to use it. Rotten launch, okay.
We got a problem. What? We still got the rest of the train attached to us back there. I tried to yank the pin out, but it won't budge.
Well, we ain't going anywhere until it does.
Okay, 1 second. I'm just gonna change the controller.